Looking to automate your product research and scale your e-commerce business quickly? In this quick JungleScout guide, I'll show you how to streamline your product research process and make smarter, data-driven decisions with ease. Stick around to the end of this video for an exclusive offer to try JungleScout for free, plus a bonus you won't find anywhere else. First, let's dive into why JungleScout is a game changer for sellers. If you're struggling to manually analyze Amazon products and sales, JungleScout will save you hours of research time. It's one of the most powerful tools to automate your product research, giving you real-time data that helps you spot trending products, analyze competition, and predict potential profits. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use it to quickly find profitable products to sell. One of the main features of JungleScout is its product database, which lets you filter through millions of Amazon products. You can narrow your search by category, price range, sales, and reviews to find exactly what you need. The beauty of this tool is that you don't need to guess if a product is going to sell. JungleScout gives you data-backed insights so you can make an informed decision. You can see a product's sales history, average reviews, and how much inventory is being sold, all in one place. If you're new to JungleScout, this is where you'll start automating your product research. It's quick, it's easy, and it's highly effective. Next, JungleScout's Opportunity Finder helps you find low competition niches. You can filter by sales volume, price point, and more, instantly revealing untapped markets. This feature is super useful for e-commerce entrepreneurs who want to avoid saturated markets. Instead of manually searching through Amazon's vast catalog, the Opportunity Finder uses advanced algorithms to provide you with a list of products that have the best potential for growth. But that's not all. The supplier database is another excellent feature that lets you find suppliers for the products you want to sell. If you've already identified a winning product, this tool allows you to automate the process of finding reliable suppliers. It saves you from the time-consuming task of contacting manufacturers directly and helps you find trusted partners faster. Now, you might be wondering how you can get your hands on this software. Lucky for you, you can try JungleScout for free today by using the link below. Not only will you get access to their trial, but we've partnered with JungleScout to offer you an extended free trial and exclusive bonuses that will make your product research even more effective. Make sure to click the first link in the description to take advantage of this limited time offer. By the way, if you're still watching, here's a pro tip. Use the JungleScout Chrome extension while browsing Amazon. This little tool will instantly give you product insights, showing you real-time data on any Amazon listing, including monthly sales estimates and average price points. It's a super handy tool for quick, on-the-go research, making it even easier to automate your product research. In summary, JungleScout is an invaluable tool for automating your product research, providing you with real-time insights into profitable products and trends. With features like the product database, Opportunity Finder, and supplier database, you can quickly identify top-selling products, minimize competition, and find reliable suppliers. Don't waste any more time manually searching through Amazon. JungleScout helps you work smarter, not harder. Before we wrap up, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial of JungleScout through the first link in the description. This special offer is only available for a limited time, so make sure to take advantage of it today. Thanks for watching, and happy product hunting.